No, we didn't even get the fork out to take the food out. No, I'm just stunned by this behavior. It's food. Oh. Hi, Moe. Oof. You'd think he has, like, meningitis or something. You'd think there's, like, something, like, really wrong. Poor baby. What is this energy? You should have hit him. No, I think you need to learn a lesson. Or are you here to teach a lesson? Are you trying to teach cats how to nom? Okay, what's the best nomming technique? Why don't you show us? Okay, put your paw a bit, fall over. Can you show a different one? Oh, Daisy, can't blame you. Okay, Moo, show a different one. What? Show the other cats how to nom. Perfect. Oh, look how fast he's eating. He's so puffed. I have to touch. Very puff. Eat.